trade recap. News was okay. And then on the 4 hour, we'd actually come bearish a little bit. We'd got a sweep down here. We'd got halfway of equilibrium. But we're still bullish on the 4 hour, obviously. But we'd come much more bearish, right? We got to equilibrium, and that was a good point for longs up to this strong hourly order block, which is pretty much the only order block there was since this tap. Obviously, it's the closest one, and that got tapped during Asian. I could have actually been in on that shit, but was at work. Next time I'll be in. I can just set orders and let that shit run, like some shit like this, and then stops would be somewhere 5 in balance, like here. Then TP would be something like halfway of this. And that's a good trade right there. Or this bottom here, which just got tapped. That's a long ass trade. But yeah, that was one of them. That was pretty much the only position, to be honest. But actually no, there was another. So sweep, we come up, tap this, and of this order block, because of its tap, we can tell we're a little bearish because of how much we've respected it. Obviously, it was a bit of a slow respect, but upon market open here, we're moving bearish, and we've respected it. We're bearish, and at this point, ES breaks character bearish, but ES on a higher time frame, we are still pretty bullish because here we have the sweep topside here at 2 p.m. A little bearish reaction, but then you can see we continue higher. Could be a resweep, but no, we're at all-time highs. I think statistically, I reckon we're just going to continue higher. Like literally, we're just going to run higher. And there is this clean 1 hour order block right here. Could be bouncing off of to go higher, but that's why I've set some alerts here, so tomorrow morning I can see if it crossed higher, and at what times. But I think it'll come higher. But during Asian, this was a nice short. It is a bit sus because we've just tapped equilibrium and we're bullish on the 4 hour, bullish on the hour. Yeah, bullish on the hour, and we've just swept good bottom side, so it's a bit sus. But because 15's bearish, and this is like the closest point to anything to come bearish, it's a good order block. That's what I'm saying. And good displacement, so we know we will get some kind of reaction off of it, right? Simple as that. If I do like some 1 minute thing, I try to do that, but we just know we will get some kind of reaction off of it. Imagine I just did some fucking 1 minute shit like this. That's insane. Right there. That is crazy. But I think because it's a 1 hour order block and it's that strong, I think that makes it possible. But anyways, forgetting that. Okay, and then during the session, we have this as a decent order block. You see it's 2 candles, so it's a bit sus, but this candle is just a replication of this, but it closed bullish instead of closing bearish. So both of these fuckers is just a strong order block and good displacement. So when this gets inversed, this is a really good breaker. And we know we are bearish. We know we are bearish because we've had such good respect now at open. We've had such good respect of this order block. We've had such good respect, so now we know we're bearish. And we get this inversion at 5:30, and then 5:30. So yeah, like here, get the inversion, and then here we get the wick back in, and as you can see, it's just come up to this 5 minute order block. Fucking perfect entries from there, boys. Like that's insane. That's crackerjack. Fair value gap, order block, it's same shit, you know? It's clean as. Really good risk to reward, like stupid good. That is a refined position. Holy shit. Wow, and that is good, because even though we're bullish on the 4, we've just hit equilibrium, so we might be going higher. But we know we're bearish from this order block, and 15 is bearish. And we've just broken through this order block here, and there is this strong hourly order block below, which we can be targeting. Easy as that. But this hourly order block below is getting inversed on NASDAQ, turning into a breaker, which tells me ES is going to come lower as well. So let's fucking see. Because normally with these hourly order blocks, either they get tapped, like price will literally just come down, nick the motherfucker, and boom, something like that, or this happens, and we get the inversion here, and it's going to turn into a breaker probably, but not a clean breaker, so this isn't really a breaker. But we can just see this is being inversed, so potentially we go lower. It's fucking sick to see. Anyways, that's that. But we know this position was good. So while we're bullish on the 4 hour, we're in premium, and we've had some bearish movement off of some topside sweeps, so we know we're coming down. ES is just fucking opposite. Like, ES is wherever it wants to be. Who knows? Right? So bearish sweeps topside, we're coming down a little bit. We've got a sweep here, we've come bullish off the sweep and discount, so at that point it's like, oh, we're kind of bullish again. But then we've tapped and respected this well down. And yeah, we've had that re-sweep slash just move above here. So we will eventually continue higher. How soon will it be though? But for this little continuation, it's pretty set. It's pretty good. It's not sweeping anything. There's no crazy order block it will turn from. Yeah, it's just an easy continuation from this order block to go lower. Fuck yeah, baby. That's that.